20 years, municipal bond market will be one of the biggest markets of in the country. See, we are so ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ କହୁଛି ଯେ municipal bond market ରେ जो potentiality ରହିଛି ସେଟା ଏବେ ସୁଦ୍ଧା ଆମେ ତା ଭିତରେ ତାକୁ କରି ସାରିନୁ. So କେତେଟା 30ଟା cities ସେ ଭିତରେ କରିଛି 4500 କୋଟି ଖଣ୍ଡେ म्यूनिसिपल बॉन्ड्स आउटस्टैंडिंग रही किंतु तार बहुत कम एटाकू बढ़ाइबा लगी गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया रो स्कीम मध्ये अच्छी जोत्रे इंसेंटिव रहिबो. सो समस्तंकर आमे सब स्टेट गवर्नमेंट्स को कहूछु जे से म्यूनिसिपल बॉन्ड उपरे जो जिबा कथा ताको भितरु कार्य करा कथा जो अर्बन इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर पाई एटाकू आमे गोटे व्हीकल सुत्रे डायरेक्टली से माने दायी भी रहिबे रिपेमेंट पाई तांको डिसिप्लिन मध्ये बढ़िबो तांको फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट मध्ये बढ़िबो म्युनिसिपलिटीज.
What is your hello? What is your plan for making Indian market more friendly for FPI and FII?
So FPIs and FIIs, we are providing a excellent framework for them to come and invest in terms of all the ingredients of market integrity. So in terms of market integrity, our markets are very strong. You are aware that our market infrastructure institutions with exchanges, depositories and clearing corporation is one of the best in the world. In terms of granularity, for example, depository system in India is unique because it maintains a segregated structure with everything down to the client level and not at the broker level. So we are providing all that comfort to the FPI investors. But over and above, after our discussions, my own discussions with FPIs, FIIs across the world, we have also identified some of the problem areas which we have addressed in the last 1 year. For example, on registration, how quickly we can do the registration end-to-end digitization. That we have fairly worked and further work is going on alongside RBI. Second, there was an issue about the block deal framework, that our block deal framework was restrictive, that we have fairly liberalized. We did not have a closing auction mechanism in the market. That has been introduced. The circular has been issued from a certain date. It will start functioning. Then we have a common contract note problem across the exchanges. One common contract note, so that they can get the best price in terms of reconciliation. That has also been implemented. Then there was a netting issue, whether they can have gross versus net, and we have allowed the netting so that their efficiency improves. So the issues that are with the regulator, that we have more or less fairly solved those problems which were identified. They were not very big problems, but wherever we thought that wherever we can make it easy, we should make it easy. Recently we had some issues from income tax, new law from 1st of April, that we also sorted out with the help of CBDT, so that the registration process is not disrupted due to these changes.
My question is on the new investors. As we see, the new Indians, they have entered into the markets like never before. So what would be your advice on the categories and the bull runs they enter and exit on the corrections? And how do you see the Odisha as tier 1, tier 2 and tier 3 cities as new financial literacy and investment markets?
So Odisha has grown 10 times in the last few years. So which means that interest is growing. I believe that eastern region, including Odisha, are still under-penetrated in terms of financial investments as compared to others. For example, it's your mutual fund in AUM is 71,000 crore, which is just about less than 1% of the total AUM of the country. So we should certainly be targeting 2.5-3% as what is our share in the GDP. As a percentage of GDP, mutual funds to the GDP in India is about 27%, 26-27%. But in the advanced economies, the mutual funds has reached as high as 70 to 80%, including ETFs, which means that India as a whole, there is a very big potential to further grow. And within India, Odisha has still more potential to grow. And particularly because in Odisha, we did have in the past a lot of such problems where the people in the attraction of very high return which were falsely promised by some illegal entities, and which led to a lot of scams. And now we have a Buds Act and the OPID Act, which are there to stem it. But it is important that they go to more regulated channels for their investments rather than unregulated channels. And many of these pooled vehicles are available which can be made use of. Now, markets up and down is a part of the market itself. If you last 10 years, 15 years, if you see, there are market up, market down, market up, market down, cycles are there. The basically long-term investing, disciplined investing, continued investing only helps the power to compound. Like, this is no-brainer, but this is something that the people miss in panic. It's important to remain calm and not to panic, because panic doesn't help. In the panic, you are actually losing out. While you stay calm, you just have to be patient. And I said, in somewhere we are saying that we need not only a venture capital, we also need patient capital. So, if you stay long term and ride over these difficulties, you don't abandon a journey just like that you are getting bumps, or bumps are very high, because then you are really, you'll never be able to reach your destination, right? So now this brings us to an important area of investment education. And so first of all, we did a first of the time large survey, an investor perception survey, which was released, and it is available in website. I encourage all of you to see it. It has got lovely information on what's happening in India. So we are drawing a lot of lessons from that and how to change your strategy. Now, if I am really speaking in English today, I will be reaching out to very few people, right? If I would be speaking in Odia, I would be speaking to a very, very large number of people, right? If I also speak in Kui, and I also speak in Sambalpuri, and I also speaking in Santali, I will also still able to, alongside Odia, I will still be able to reach out to a more larger number of people in terms of, understanding. So now is the time for us to get into real multilingual approach in our approach. Multi-agency, multilingual, and multimedia. We have the technology now to use this more effectively. Earlier, the language translation, etc. was a challenge. Today, with the help of AI, we can really reach out much, much faster. And then communicate the people in the language, in the context, cultural context they understand. So with a view to this, our next phase of awareness will be Project Jagrook. With Project Jagrook, we are going to put all the resources of all our ecosystem together. SEBI's own market infrastructure institution, for example, NSE, BSE, MCX, NCTEX, MSCI, all the exchanges, and all depositories, CDSL, NDSL, all clearing corporations, and then MFI. And also we will have, online bond platform providers, what we call OBPP, which is another for the corporate bonds. We have now another instrument where the retail can actually buy a bond easily. Earlier this was not possible to buy a corporate bond. So all of these agencies, if they condition theme-based channels, etc. So we are going to open YouTube channels in all the languages, all the important official languages of the country, so that content would be available, official content would be, but that has to be interesting. If it is boring, then people will not subscribe to it. The people will not do it. So it has to meet with that. If we are able to achieve that, we will be undertaking one of the biggest financial inclusion in terms of investment story in India, rolling out. And then we will do another survey down the line to see how the impact has been of that campaign. So constant measurement, constant learning and conditioning, and using all of you, multimedia, to do that thing, to really understand what real responsible investing is. We should not put all eggs in one basket, like putting everything in equity. In fact, there has to be a spectrum of investments where you are able to see that you have adequate. And secondly, it must meet your life cycle. So this, in order to understand that, in order to granulate it, dissect it into exactly understandable way, is the task that we all have.